Okay guys, so welcome to my channel. This is my first video for the entire channel, so this is quite a happy day. So to kickstart all the videos, I'm going to be doing a knife review of a budget knife from an English company called Anglo. So all their knives are really budget price. No more are about £15 and they're really good for the sort of people who go camping twice a month. So yeah, this is a zebra wood onlay knife. They have two others, one is carbon fibre, one is a metal A-lock similar to the A-locks you got on a Victorinox knife, but they all come in at £9.99. So for some people the price is exactly what they want. You can go and buy a Spyderco online for about £90, £80, or this for £9. Obviously this is nowhere near as good quality as Spyderco, but if you need a knife for outdoors, then it's perfect. It's pretty sure it's an aluminium frame, with obviously, I just said zebra onlay, wood onlay. On the back we have a belt clip that actually does come off with two tiny Allen key nuts there. At the rear of the knife we have a hole that could be used to tie a lanyard, tie some paracord on it. It's quite helpful. And obviously if you can open this knife one-handed like that, then you can obviously undo it with this stub nut here. So if you're having trouble, I know when I first got it out of the box it was really hard to undo, but after I've opened it a few times it's sort of loosened off. So the whole thing itself comes in at about 4.2 inches. It also comes in this nylon sheath, which is just a cheap nylon sheath that comes with every budget knife really. So that's basically it for the closed knife, should I say. When we open it up, obviously it is a locking knife. This does make it illegal to carry in the UK, along with the blade is too long. It's 3.3 inches. The UK law states you have to have a knife under 3 inches or 3 inches exact. It also can't be a locking knife. It has to be a simple like this. I'll show you. It has to be like a Victorinox knife. This is perfect. This is legal to carry in the UK. The knife is the right size and it also doesn't lock. It's free to move. So yeah, back to this knife anyway. The knife came very sharp out of the box. I was actually quite surprised for such a cheap knife. I was expecting it to be really, blunt. I have to sharpen it myself, and I am no way any good at sharpening knives, and I just ruin it. So yeah, quite happy with that. The locking mechanism itself, as you can see, takes up almost over half the knife itself. See, here's the blade here, and there's the locking mechanism, and as you can see right in the middle, the lock keeps it from sliding out. So I know on a few budget knives, if you push hard enough this way, the knife will just come unlock, sorry, not undone. So yeah, obviously it is a very good knife for the price, I'd say. If you're the sort of person that goes camping a lot, goes fishing a lot, or even if you just go camping once a month, it's going to do you good. So obviously this cannot be carried around a city centre. That's just stupid. It's going to get confiscated and you're going to get arrested. This is a weapon. This is classed as a weapon in the UK. So you get away with having this if you are on your own land. Say if you had like a private forest. And so a lot of people in the UK have forests with their house next door, or sort of as a part of their land. So, or another scenario is if you're camping, for example, in the Highlands in Scotland, then that's perfectly justifiable why you've got this knife. that's the only way you could ever have one of these on you, is if you had a justified reason. And saying I want it for personal protection is that's not a good excuse. They'll just they'll laugh in your face. So yeah, this knife came from Amazon, and I can't really fault it, to be honest. The zebra wood onlay, I think, can be removed. There's a few little Allen key nuts there that I'm sure if you undo, that'll come undone. So I'm not sure whether you can just have it without that wooden onlay. Personally, I think it looks great. Great looking knife, and especially from a company who clearly makes good quality knives for the cheap price. So yeah, so that's the review of the Anglo armed zebra wood knife. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first video. I know it's not a very interesting sort of, but we have to start somewhere. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come back within a day or two with another video up, probably of my Victorinox, I'm not sure. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like it, show your appreciation. It makes me determined to make more videos. In the future there'll be fishing, camping, bushcraft outside. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.